Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the paused game, press pause and go straight to options to change controls. Open the controls or controller layout section depending on platform. On PC, switch to the keyboard tab if needed. Once there, note which profile is active, keyboard, controller, or local split, because changes apply per profile. You're doing this now to avoid conflicts later. Make sure to back out only after you save so your test inputs register correctly. Next, pick each action you want to remap and press the new button or key when prompted. The game will overwrite the previous binding. Once done with core buttons, adjust stick sensitivity and invert axes where options exist to match your comfort and split-screen needs. If you're playing couch co-op, set alternate profiles for player 1 versus player 2 so inputs don't conflict. Once adjusted, test moves in a safe area to confirm responsiveness before proceeding. Finally, save your control profile and exit the menu, then test actions in an easy room or level to verify everything feels correct. If an input doesn't match, reopen controls to remap or use reset to default and redo only the necessary bindings. If problems persist, troubleshoot by reconnecting controllers, switching USB ports, or restarting the game. This fixes most recognition glitches. Make sure to retest after each step so you know which.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.